Here's EMOCHI app. So this is AI apps. This is not emoji app. Yeah, this unlimited chat with AI. So a new alternative to Toki AI or to like character AI. So you just decide and then you just open it up. Unlimited chat with AI. You can just see how it looks like. Then you can just decide all the characters you want to chat with, and then you just start the chat. You have some suggestions. You can generate 10 chat options for free every day. Each chat option will cost 2 mochi. And then you have reset chat, continue. You can just follow that account in here. Enable notifications. And then you have a lot of different bots in here. You can create your own character. You can post, just create a post. Yeah, just then have chats, and then you just have your account. If you you can upgrade. So that's half per year, $145 wallet. Then you just have your wallet in here. And then yeah, you just have your persona, which you can select. You have your settings in here, autoplay voice if you wanna, content preferences. So yeah, kind of new interesting app. It's quite high quality app for AI characters. So, Toki AI was deleted from the App Store. So this can be a nice alternative. So try it out.